In this video, we'll be finding the equation of a line that's perpendicular to a given line and passes through a given point. So our problem is to find the equation of the line that's perpendicular to y equals negative 9x plus 5 and passes through the point 3, 9. So our first step is to find the slope. And we're going to have to find the slope from our given information. So from y equals a negative 9x plus 5. This is nice because this is already in slope-intercept form, and we know that our slope is the coefficient of x. So that value right there, the negative 9, tells us that our slope is negative 9. And m is the letter that we use to represent slope. Okay. Now, our problem though, we want the equation of a line that's perpendicular to this line. Well, if we had wanted the equation of the line parallel, then it would have the same slope. But our perpendicular slope is going to be, change the sign, so it'll be a positive, and then find the reciprocal. So positive 1/9 is the slope of our perpendicular line. So this is what we want to use. And then we already know our point is 3, 9. So x1, y1 is our point, and that is 3, 9. So we'll be using that information and this information to get our equation of our line that we're looking for. We'll use point slope form of the equation, and that is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So for the point slope form, the x and y, the plain ones, those are the variables, so we'll leave those alone. But we'll use a value for our m, and we know that that's 1/9. And we'll also use a value for the x1 and the y1. That's going to be the coordinates of our point. So let's just plug those values in. We have y minus, our y1 value is 9. Our m is positive 1/9. Our x is the variable, so we're going to leave that alone. Subtract, and then our x1 value is 3. So this is our equation. All we need to do is simplify it a little bit. Let's distribute our 1/9. So we'll copy y minus 9 equals 1/9 x, and then 1/9 times negative 3 is a negative 1/3, so negative 1/3. Right. Add 9 to both sides. This cancels. We have y is equal to 1/9 x. And then when I add a negative 1/3 and a positive 9, I get a positive 8 2/3. I prefer to see this as an improper fraction, so I'll change that to 26/3. So y equals 1/9 x plus 26/3. And either answer really is just fine.